Have you ever wondered that when you are planning to get in a trade, but you are in a hesitation, either the market will move or no, and as soon as you decided to get in the trade, the market moved like a skyrocket and didn't give you any chance to enter. But you are wondering that if you could get in that trade, it could be the biggest trade possible in your trading career. Now, if this happened to you, you are not alone. In my trading career, when I began my trading, every time I was entering the market late, when the market already made its move, and as soon as I have got in, the market started to reverse. And I started to wonder why I could not find that entry before it make its biggest move. Until I discovered that biggest secret in the market, why the market moves such an impulsive way in a certain time. And once I understand that, I started to trade based on the biggest secret in the market. My trading changed completely from that day. So today I'm going to reveal exactly what is that secret that you can learn today from this video, what the institutional trader will not tell you ever. The hedge fund banks are using this technique to trade the market every single day. If this is something you are interested, then don't miss out any piece of this important strategy video where I will be explaining how you can find the biggest move in the right time, in the right location. Now, before I begin this very important lesson, make sure that traders, you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So without further delay, let's get started. Okay, traders. So Nikola Tesla once said that if you want to know the secret of this universe, then think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. And what I have seen that if you want to know the secret of the market, then analyze in terms of market structure, liquidity, and price action. Now these three are the backbones of the market that institutional traders, banks, hedge funds using the market to trade. And the retail trader are missing this important piece of this information. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use these secrets to find the biggest move in the market. So let me show you with a real trade, real market example, because it's a proven, back-tested system. So first of all, let's look at this chart on euro dollar. Now this is the 1 hour chart, guys. Let's look at what's happening in the market. Now if you look at, first of all, this market here, what do you see? The first thing that we need to look at to understand the biggest move is the trend. Now they said that trend your friend until it bends in the end. I would say that trend is your friend for the rest of your life as long as you are trading, or even if you are not trading, because if you want to buy a real estate, also you need to look at the trend. Now trend is the most important part of every professional profitable trader's trading decision. Now if you look at this 1 hour chart, what do you see? How this market behaved in that zone? Look at this here. First of all, there was a strong drop here from this level, a clean drop, and then clean bounce to the resistance again, has made a pullback, tried to create a new higher high, again has broken that support, and finally the market made its move. Now this is an order block. So if we look at the market, this is an order block that the price has invaded multiple times. This is the support here, this is the resistance here. This is where in the past the smart money bought for this potential move, and the price has come down, tested multiple times, manipulated multiple times, and we see that the market has made a move from this level. Now with that move, what we can see in this market. Now look at this move here, a clean bullish impulse followed by a narrow correction. Now when this narrow correction happen, what do we see? That when you see a clean impulse followed by a very smaller correction, that's the sign that this market is a bull market, as this market was already creating series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure. We can expect for this market now to remain bullish. Let's replay the chart to understand what happened during that real market information. Now you can see that with this impulse, if you look at these bull candles, you can see how much volatility, and see these three narrow candles represents that the bulls are strong, the bears are weaker, and as a result we saw that there was a clean bounce again. That is the representation that this market is preparing for a bigger move. So we see that the trend, the market structure is bullish. Now when the market structure is bullish, we will be only looking for buying opportunity in that market. Now the next thing comes in play is the liquidity. Now liquidity is the fuel of the market. The market moves from liquidity to liquidity. Now how can you identify the liquidity in the market? Well, liquidity cannot be seen. If you look at everything in this universe, there is always two aspects of everything, seen and the unseen. If you look at a human being, you can see his face, but you can't see his thought or the emotion. But a human being is composed of thought, emotion, and his physical body. So without regarding the emotion and thought, you cannot consider a human being. Similarly, if you look at the market, you need to look at the both aspect of this market, seen and unseen. And that's the missing piece that many traders missing in the market. So if we look at this market here, what is the unseen component of it is the liquidity. This is what you will be learning here, guys. Make sure that you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. And also in addition to that, before I progress further, if you are looking to join our recommended broker that are regulated, you can find link below this video for the recommended broker. You can click that link, register, and then you can fund your account to start trading with a recommended broker. So with that said, let's look at that point, how you can find the liquidity. Now, the way you can find liquidity is by looking at how the price action is behaving. Imagine that you are looking at a tree. The tree is not moving, the leaves are still. So you know that there is no wind here. But when you see the leaves are moving, you know that there is a wind there, even you can't see the wind. Similarly, if you look at this candlestick pattern, look at the candlestick pattern here, how this pin bar has formed on the 1 hour chart. Now this pin bar is a clean representation of the liquidity grab, because in this uptrending market, the bulls were buying this market and trailing their stop losses. Now when the market has broken the previous narrow dodges low, in that zone there is a huge liquidity trigger. That means that there was a lot of stop loss or the trailing stop loss that has been triggered, and because of that the big boys has got enough fuel to move that market to further to the upside. Why? Very simple. When the buyers are buying, their stop loss is a sell order, so they want to sell. When the retail trader want to sell, the institutional trader wants to buy, and when the institutional trader buying from this, the market will be moving. And that's the biggest secret of catching the biggest trade possible in the market, because when the institutional traders are buying the market will be moving in the major direction with the biggest impulse possible. And that is the secret that I have discovered before I become profitable trader. And that is the biggest secret that I have discovered. Until I found this secret, it was very difficult for me to become consistently profitable trader. And then let's look at what happened next. Now you can see that after multiple liquidity grab, the same way the price has come back to the same level here, and as you can see, and from that support there is another bounce, and it made a huge impulse to the upside with this biggest move possible in the market. Now if we closely look at, you can see that the same level again invaded, tested this with this 20 EMA, and the market made a clean bullish impulse that can give you huge profitable trade. Now this is the trade also I have opened in my trading account along with all the members in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now that has given us the huge profit in this single trade. Now you might say, okay, the market is volatile. Sometimes, I can't look at the market. I don't understand how the liquidity work when the liquidity candle is being formed. Don't worry. Currently, we have developed a tool that is giving us when the liquidity candle is being formed, and that's what I'm using every single day along with many members in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If I turn on the liquidity candle that we have currently, you can see that there is a clean liquidity candle formation. There is another one has been formed here. Now both of that has worked out exactly as expected in the major direction of the trend, and within a very short period of time it has given us the full profit target hit. Now the same trade, as you can see on the screen, when this 1 hour candle has formed, I have sent out to the VIP Telegram channel who are trading with us so that the members also can learn and grow as a trader. Now this is the candle that I have traded because I know that there is a liquidity candle. The market has got a bounce, so it's highly likely that we could see the market will boom and will go to the profit target. Now I believe that traders, you understood that what it likes to trade the market based on liquidity, market structure and price action. Now if you think that is still you need something additional to assist you in finding the liquidity and liquidity candle, currently this tool, this is one of my best tools that I use, currently available for the mentorship program students. So if you are still not on the academy in the mentorship program, then there is a big news is that we still have a couple of spots to join in the academy in the mentorship program with incredible 80% discount. That coupon that you can see below this video in the description. This is ending tonight. It was an NFP coupon, but we still have a couple of spots. You can use this coupon, visit the website and then click join now button. Once you join, make sure you check your email for all the links and login detail. With that said, traders, thank you very much for joining this important lesson. I'll see you again trading live together. Until that, stay well, stay happy.